We're here with Warren Small from New Ventures and Innovation, right here at the NTT Upgrade event in the Experience Center. We're excited to talk about how we incubate innovation in the company. Warren, welcome.
Hey Megan, thank you so much for having me. What an incredible day at the XC. So exciting to see all our customers and colleagues from around the world.
Yeah, so for our audience, will you introduce New Ventures and Innovation?
Absolutely. What an exciting opportunity within NTT to be working on emerging technology that the group is so focused on. There's so many trends in the world today that our customers want to hear so earnestly about. And at New Ventures and Innovation, we have the privilege of articulating not only the technology, but the business value that our clients can derive.
So tell me more about that. Is there a good example of how we incubate innovation and deliver business value?
So many examples, but I'll touch on one today, which the audience can see at the showcase, is all around private 5G and edge. So at NTT, we've made an investment in a company that does 5G, and we have an opportunity to take that capability and deliver it as a service to multiple industries, including manufacturing, hospitals, and industries that are looking to provide connectivity in areas that they didn't have previously.
So your group within New Ventures and Innovation, can you introduce that a little bit more and for our customers and especially sales colleagues, how they would work with your team?
Absolutely. What an exciting opportunity for our internal constituents. At New Ventures and Innovation, our team is composed of three key pillars. One, looking at some of the emerging trends and understanding how our clients are trying to embrace some of these trends to deliver business value. Two, leveraging some of the technology that we have within the group to deliver services that are groundbreaking, to deliver more effective capabilities to clients to complement what they may have already. And third is always on the lookout for new emerging trends that organizations need to be aware of, and we have an opportunity to incubate them.
When you talked about edge and IoT, is there a recent example of how we've incubated innovation in partnership with a customer?
100%. And there's so many examples, but I'll talk about one which I think the audience already knows about. And it's a large city in the USA where we helped the city transform how they delivered services to their constituents. Not only were we able to drive innovation for the city, but we are able to provide connectivity from a perspective that the client was not able to deliver themselves through existing service providers.
So to connect back to Upgrade and the exhibits here, where we're really talking about inventing the future of telecommunications with optical networks. It sounds like our teams today are doing the same thing with wireless and 5G. You mentioned a city. We interviewed Bill from the Smart team that can work on top of that. Maybe could share with the audience a bit more about how this all kind of comes together and builds the future, the groundwork for the future?
There's so many different use cases, but I'll touch on one which kind of touches my heart. One is how we deliver better healthcare. A few years ago, we were all immersed into this thing called COVID-19, or we all pushed into what they called, pandemic mode, work from home. Also, our doctors and nurses were being able or needed to work in different locations. And now we have an opportunity to extend that network into areas near real time and to deliver the same services that they had in physical infrastructure or physical buildings. Now we could have an extension of a hospital into a parking lot. But to see how we could deliver, leveraging connectivity, some of these groundbreaking services like healthcare near real time in any location is truly transformation.
One last question for you, Warren. On the ecosystem and partners that want to work with us on bringing this future enabled by technologies like Edge and P5G, certainly there would be industry-specific ecosystems, I would imagine, like for healthcare and devices and specific applications. Could you touch a bit on how you work with our ecosystem?
Yeah, happy to. So, there are multiple industries and lots of manufacturers. For us, one is to identify who are some of our existing partners and existing customers. We see one of the large manufacturers of power. Not only are they now a partner, not only are they a customer, but they are helping us ideate to deliver better services to our mutual customers that we did not talk to before. We talk about smart buildings. We talk about what goes into a smart building to drive sustainability, but we don't talk about how they could leverage some of the telemetry, some of the data, some of the technology that we have to deliver not only a building that is sustainable, but to help deliver a building that is more safe and more secure.
Wow, so not only does our ecosystem include vendors, it also includes customers.
100%.
Wow, incredible. Thank you, Warren. It was great to chat with you.
Thank you, Megan. Great to be here.
So that was our interview with Warren Small, where we really talked about the future of connectivity. I can't wait to sit down again with Warren on the video cast. I'm sure you'll be a frequent guest. We hope you enjoyed this interview. We look forward to seeing your comments on social. Please share and let us know what you think. The best place to post your comments and insights about our podcast is LinkedIn. Look for us at NTT.